World Travel Market, second day here at the Excerpt Center.
But it's always been a very interesting market where we haven't really exploded. I feel like with our joint references now, the credibility, it's a lot of tough, right? Now all the others have time. They can.
Very busy human traffic, as you can expect. Here in front of Explore France. Greece. Kingdom of Football. Let's have a look. Which kingdom is this? Kingdom of Football. It looks interesting. Oh, the sound right of it. Oh, Morocco is hiding itself, describing themselves as the Kingdom of Football. Interesting. This should be called rebranding of Morocco. Now describing themselves as Kingdom of Football. Spectacle. Let's get close. Moroccan Pavilion here at the Excerpt Center for the ongoing World Travel Market.